Hello everyone and welcome to the channel. In this video, I will show you exactly how to create breakout rooms in Microsoft Teams before meeting. Set up your breakout rooms in Microsoft Teams before your meeting begins. This will save you time in the admin task during your meeting, so set up the rooms beforehand. You need to schedule a meeting. Head into your Teams calendar and schedule a meeting with participants. Once you have them invited and the meeting set, you can set up the rooms. Begin by editing your meeting and going into the breakout rooms tab. From there, click create rooms, select the number of rooms you want, and up to 50 can be selected. From there, click assign participants and decide if you want Teams to automatically assign your students to a room or if you want to manually assign your students. It doesn't take long to assign them, so you can use this option anytime. You only need to click the student's name, click assign, and choose which room. As of right now, Teams don't have the feature to save your breakout rooms. So for each meeting, you will have to reassign your participants to a room. If you have groups that don't change regularly, you can still create channels and do breakout rooms that way. Once all your students are assigned, check out all the different settings. You can customize your breakout rooms as well. First, give out your breakout rooms their own names. You can quickly rename each room in accordance with the subject. It will also help students remember which room they are supposed to be in. Click on the three dots on the top right of the room name. In the same menu, you can edit, change, or delete it. Once the settings are complete, you can set up these breakout rooms and let your students get in to get them chatting. Start using the breakout rooms in Microsoft Teams. You can open each room one at a time by going into that room settings or open them all at once. Once the meetings are open, you will be alone in the main meeting because all of your students have been placed into their breakout rooms. You can make sure each student is in the meeting by dropping down the menu for each room. There it is. It shows if a student is in the meeting or has not made it there yet. Thank you everyone for watching. Hope you got some value. Make sure to like the video and subscribe to our channel. Leave a comment down below. See you in the next one.